In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an empty widget in Monday.com. If you open your Monday.com dashboard and notice that a widget is showing no information, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a simple setting or connection issue, and it can usually be fixed in just a few moments. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process clearly so you can check the most common causes and make sure your widget starts displaying data correctly again. Start by opening your Monday.com dashboard and locating the widget that appears empty. Take a moment to confirm that the widget is the one you want to troubleshoot. Sometimes dashboards contain multiple widgets, so it's helpful to focus on the exact one that is not showing the expected information. Next, click Edit or open the widget settings directly. This is where you'll find the main options that control what the widget displays. Opening the settings is important because an empty widget often means something in the configuration needs to be adjusted. Once you're in the settings, check that the widget is connected to the correct board. If the wrong board is selected, the widget may not have access to the data you expect to see. Make sure the board listed in the widget settings matches the board where your actual information is stored. This is one of the most common reasons a widget appears blank. After that, review any filters that are applied to the widget. Filters are useful, but they can also hide all of your data if they are too restrictive. Look carefully at the conditions that are active and consider whether they might be excluding everything. If needed, adjust the filters so the widget can display the relevant items again. Then make sure the selected columns have data. Many widgets rely on specific columns in your board, and if those columns are empty, the widget may have nothing to show. Double check that the columns chosen in the widget settings actually contain values in the connected board. This is especially important for chart-based or summary-style widgets. Once you've checked the board connection, reviewed the filters, and confirmed the columns contain data, refresh the dashboard. This helps Monday.com reload the latest information and can resolve display issues if the widget was not updating properly. Finally, when the data appears correctly, save the widget. Saving ensures that your corrected settings are kept in place, so the widget continues to display the right information going forward. That's it. By checking the widget settings carefully and confirming the data source, filters, and columns, you can usually resolve an empty widget quickly and get your Monday.com dashboard working as expected.